Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to set up Find My Device on any Poco phone. Now to do that, just open the Settings app. Now from here, scroll down and tap on Google. Now from here, tap on All Services. Now just scroll down and tap on Find My Device. Now first of all, just enable the Find My Device option. Now from here, just enter your screen lock to confirm that it is you. Now once you have done that, now just tap on Find Your Offline Devices. Now as you can see, this feature is currently turned off. Just tap on Without Network. Now from here, tap on More. Now from here, tap on Enter Screen Lock. Now from here, just enter PIN. Now from here, tap on Next. Now once you have done that, just go back. Now from here, scroll down and tap on Location Settings. Now from here, just enable the location option. Now once you have done that, just go back. And this is how you can set up Find My Device on any Poco phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.